Dear student, welcome to all of you in my online maths video class. In our last video class, we just complete the chapter 7, that is ratio and proportion, and I promised to start matrices in a new video class. Today I will discuss about matrices, that is chapter 8 of ML Agrawal. Okay, according to examination point of view, this is very important, and according to our syllabus, we have to discuss the order of the matrices, the order of the matrix, row and column matrix, B, compatibility for addition and multiplication, C, null and identity matrices, addition and subtraction of 2 by 2 matrices of order 2 by 2 matrices, and the last one, multiplication of order 2 by 2 matrices by a non-zero rational number and a matrix by another matrix. Okay, so in this matrix topic we will discuss this much topic according to our syllabus. But before starting the topic, first of all we should define what is the matrix. What is matrix? Here we can arrange the numbers in different form. Just like if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then how many number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 number. This 6 number can be arranged like this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 also. It can be arranged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this way also. It can be arranged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this way also. So all these type of arrangement, if we write like this way in a big bracket here, they form a shape of matrix. Means this type of arrangement is called matrix. So here we should understand what is the property of this. Here the horizontal line, there is a horizontal line and a vertical line. Horizontal line is called row and the vertical line is called column. Horizontal line row and vertical line column. So here how many horizontal row? There are 6 horizontal row. And how many vertical row? That is only 1. And then here 6 cross 1 or 6 by 1 is the order of this matrix. Here how many horizontal row? Here 1, first horizontal row, second horizontal row, third horizontal row. And how many column? 1 and 2. So that is 3 row and 2 column. 3 by 2. This is the order of the matrix. Similarly here we have 2 row and 1, 2, 3, 3 column. But here we have 1 row and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 column. Okay, according to arrangement of this number, the order will be changed. In order, first we write the row, then column. First we write row, horizontal line, row. So how many horizontal line here? That is 3. That is 3. And how many vertical column? 2. The order of this matrix will be 3 by 2. Okay. So what is matrix? Matrix is the arrangement which will be in the form of a rectangle or in the form of a square, or simply we can say a rectangular arrangement of numbers is called matrix. The rectangular arrangement of numbers in the form of horizontal and vertical lines is called a matrix. Okay, and I told you the horizontal line is called a row and the vertical line is called column. Okay, now what is the order of matrix? We should discuss what is the order of the matrix. So here this discussion I told you what is the order of matrix. First we write row, number of rows. Here number of rows 6, here number of rows 3, here number of rows 2, here number of rows 1. And after that column. How many column here? 1. How many column here? That is 2. How many column here? That is 3. And how many here column? That is 6. So therefore The order of this type of matrix is called 6 by 1. Order of this type of matrix is 3 by 2. Order of this matrix is 2 by 3 and order of this matrix is 1 by 6. Okay. After that, let us see how we can write the notation of matrix. Notation of the matrix. Here we just take one matrix, that is A. The matrix is always written in this form, means in capital big bracket, that is 2, 3, 3 and 4. How many row here? Number of rows is what? That is 2. Column, that is also 2. Order of matrix A is what? That is row. First we write row and then column. At the place of row, what we write? That is 2 and column is also 2. Then the order of the matrix will be 2 by 2. And generally it is written like this way here. In this corner 2 by 2. Then order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Here this is first row and first column. This is the element of first row and first column. This is the element of first row and second column. Okay. This is the element of second row, first column, and this is the element of second row, second column. It means here first row and first column. Let that is A11. It means here A11 will be 2. Okay, A11 will be 2. Now this is the element of first row and second column, that is A12. It will be 3. And here second row, first we write the row and then column, that is first. Means element of second row and first column is what? 3. Element of second row and second column is also here 4. In this way we can just indicate the element, the member of the matrix A11, A12, A21, A22 like that. Means element of the first row and first column, element of the first row and second column, element of the second row and first column, element of the second row and second column, like this way we can arrange it. Now if I want to represent its a general form, then here this can be write, let matrix A and element is always written in small letter, that is A. First row first column will be like this way, first row second column will be like this way, but ith row and jth column, I represent for row, number of row, and j represent for column. And let the order of the matrix will be here m by n. Okay, but here that represent row, I represent a row and j represent column. Then the value of I is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to m. Value of I will be 1 to m and value of j will be 1 to n. Okay, so it means this is the matrix generally which is represented by A, I, J. Means A, if we write at the place of I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1, then it will be A11, means element of first row and first column, that is 2. If I write I is equal to 2 and j is equal to also 2, it will be A22, then element of second row and second column will be like this way. Okay, here we can also write matrix A in general form like this. Here A11, A12, A13, A14 like this way. Here what is increasing? First row, first row, first row, row, and here this is column. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, first row, fourth column. In this way here A1, how many column? J column. A1, J. Similarly here, let I am writing here A21, A22, A23, A to 4, again A to J column. Okay, and here number of rows increasing, first row, second row. Similarly, the last row will be number of last row is what? That is I. Here I1 means element of ith row and first column, element of ith row and second column, element of ith row and third column, like this way, element of ith row and jth column. In this way, we can write the general form of the matrices of order. What is the order? M by N, where what is the M? Number of row, and what is N? Number of column. So here M is equal to, that is represented by I row, that is 1 to first column, first row, second row, third row, up to M, and J from 1 to N also. If I want to write here element of third row and first column, it represents, first we must find third row, first, second and third row will be here, and first column will be, means its position will be like here. Again we want to find element of first row and fourth column. So first row and fourth column will be this. Okay, it means the general representation will be like this way, means notation of the matrix, and here representation of the matrix means general form. Okay, I just told you what is the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix is just written first horizontal, number of horizontal line, and then number of vertical line, and between that there is a cross sign, means M cross N. If we have a matrix in which 4 horizontal line and 5 vertical, 4 horizontal rows and vertical column is 5, then order of that matrix will be 4 by 5. Okay, 4 cross 5. So here order of the matrix is M by N. How we read this? M by N, and write like this, M cross N. Okay, so this is the total about the introduction of matrix, its notation and order of the matrix. Okay, now what is called the equal matrix? We will discuss about equal matrix. Means when two matrix will be equal, and on the basis of that we try to solve some example also. We will write equal matrix. Equal matrix. Two matrix, let this is A and this is the matrix B. Order of this matrix is M by N, and order of this matrix is also M by N. This is not only enough to be equal matrix. What is important? Each element of this element, each element of this matrix should be equal to the corresponding element of this matrix. Okay, it means if we have a matrix like this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this way, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it's, what is the order of this? 1, 2, 3 row and 2 column. Here also 3 row and 2 column. It means if two matrices are equal, then their corresponding element means what? Let this is A11, which is equal to 1, and here let this is B11, this is also equal to 1. Means this and this, they are the corresponding is what? The element of first row, first column. Here also element of first row, first column, and both are equal. Similarly, element of first row, second column, that is 2, is equal to the element of first row and second column in this. Therefore, both will be equal. Okay, what is the condition? So the first condition, order should be same, and the second, the corresponding element of both matrix should be equal. In that condition, we can say that two matrices are equal. Here, in this case, some questions may be asked also. Let us see one question. After that, we will discuss some special types of matrices. Here, exercise 8.1. The first one, classify the following matrices. We will discuss later. After that, let us see question number 4. In question number 4, question number 4. Question number 4. It is mentioned, find the value of x and y. Find x and y if. What is the condition? This is given. Means 2x plus y and here 3x minus 2y is equal to this 5 and 4. Okay. Now according to the question, both are equal matrix. If both are equal matrix, then the corresponding element will be equal. What is the order of this matrix? Number of column is 2. Number of row is 2. There are 2 rows. This is the first row and this is the second row. And number of column only 1 here. Then the order of this matrix will be 2 by 1. Order of this matrix will be 2 by 1. And here also 2 row and 1 column. So this order is also 2 by 1. Means according to order both are equal. Then since it is mentioned in the question that both are equal matrix, then their corresponding element, that is 2x plus y, should be equal to 5. That is equation first. And here 2x minus 2y is equal to what? 4. This is equation second. Okay. Now we should try to solve it by elimination method, cross multiplication method, or by substitution method. If we want to solve it by elimination method, then we have to first make the coefficient of y same. So here multiply it by 2. It will be 4x plus 2y is equal to 10. 4x plus 2y is equal to 10. And now write this 2x, not 2x, here 3x, okay. 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now add it. If you add, this will be cancelled. And 4, 3, 7x is equal to 14. Then x is equal to 2. Means value of x will be equal to 2. If you put the value of x here in first case, then 2 into 2 plus y is equal to 5. Means y is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. It means with the help of this, we can find the value of x and y. Now let us check. Here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. So 2 to the 4 and y is equal to 1. So 2 to the 4 and 1 5 means 5 and 5 will be equal. And again here 3 to the 6 minus 2, that is 4. This also equal. In this way we can simply verify that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the answer of this question. Similarly, here question number 5 is given, question number 6 given, question number 7, 8 and 9. All these questions are only based on this concept that if the two matrices are equal, then the order of the matrix will be equal, as well as the corresponding element of both the both the matrix will be also equal. Okay. Now we will discuss about the some special type of matrices, means classification of matrices. In classification of matrix, we will discuss about the first row matrix, the second one column matrix, after that square matrix, the fourth one that is zero or null matrix, and after that the fifth given according to syllabus, that is identity R for unit matrix. Okay. Now let us try to understand what is the property of row matrix. Okay. If the number of row is only one. If the number of row is only one, there is no limit of column, but there is a limit of row. Number of rows should be only one, but column may be more than. Means it will be in this form. In the general form, we will like this way: A11, A12, A13, like this. A1, J we can write. Okay, R we can write here. A1M, A1M. Its order will be 1 by M. Its order will be 1 by M. It means here there are 1 column and M rows. Here, therefore, the matrix A is a row matrix. Total number of element is equal to n into m. Means number of row into number of column. Okay. I want to tell with this formula that if we have any matrix, and in that matrix, if the number of row is n and number of column is m, then the total number of element of that matrix will be n multiplied by m. Okay, n multiplied by m. Similarly, here if we have 1 row and m column, the number of element will be 1 by m. Here, take one more example. Let here 1, 2, 3, 4 given. Simply I am giving the example. And here, again we can write 4, 7, 3, 2. Again we can write 7, 9, 10, 11, like this. Then what is the order of this matrix? How many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. And how many columns? 1 column, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns. Okay. The number of element is what? 3 into 4 means 12. There are 12 elements. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 elements. It means with the help of order only, we can also find the total number of element in that particular matrix. Okay. So here in row matrix there will be only 1 row, but there is no limit of column. Now take one example. Example we can write like this. Example here 2, 3, 7. Example. Order of this matrix is 1, 5, 3. This is the first example. Second example, if I write 7, 9, like this. Number of row 1, number of column 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the row matrix. Now we will discuss about the column matrix. What is column matrix? In column matrix, there is some similarity by row matrix. In row matrix, there are only 1 row, but number of column is not regarding number of column there is no condition. In row matrix, number of row will be 1. Similarly, in column matrix, number of column will be 1. In standard form, how we write this column matrix? Here first row, first column. Here first row, second column. First row, third column. Similarly, first row and first row, first column, second row, first column, like this. Second row, first column, third row, first column. Similarly here, nth row and first column, like this. Nth row and first column. Then its order will be n by 1. Yes, n by 1. Number of row will be not fixed, but number of column is fixed, that is 1. Okay. Here this is the column matrix. In column matrix there is only 1 column, but not any fixed number for rows. In rows, row matrix, in the row matrix, number of row will be 1. In column matrix, number of column will be 1. Example, here we can write 2, 5, 7, 9. Okay, how many row? First row, second row, third row, fourth row. And number of column, that is 1. 4 by 1 is the order of this matrix. Okay. Now the third one is square matrix. Square matrix, if the matrix is of order 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, means n by n. It means number of row and number of columns should be equal. Then we can say that is a square matrix. Okay. Here, what is the zero or null matrix? In zero or null matrix, all the element will be 0. In zero or null matrix, all the element will be 0. Zero matrix will be in the form of row matrix also. Zero matrix is possible in the form of column matrix also. Zero matrix is possible in the form of square matrix also, and means in every form it is possible. Regarding this, now we will discuss about the identity or unit matrix. Identity or unit matrix. Here, the square matrix, identity matrix, there is a condition, it will be always a square matrix. Here, identity or unit matrix, a square matrix in which each diagonal element is 1 and all other elements are 0 is called the identity matrix. Identity matrix, there is two things clear. The first one, it is always a square matrix. Square matrix. And the second one, the diagonal element is 1. The diagonal element is 1. Just like if I write here one element, here 1, diagonal element should be 1, 1, 0. Okay. This is a square matrix, a unit matrix of order 2 by 2. We can say it a unit matrix of order 2 by 2. Similarly, here you write here 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is called a unit matrix or identity matrix of order 3 by 3. Okay. And after that, some examples are given. Go through this example. And after solving all the examples, you try to complete exercise 8.1. Here, classify the following matrices. The first matrix is given 2, minus 1, 5, 1. There are 2 rows and 2 columns. Means n by n form. This is a square matrix. Similarly, second given 2, 3 and minus 7. There are only 1 row, but column is 3. That is called row matrix. Similarly, the third one will be column matrix, rectangular matrix, like this way. I would like to solve one question of question number second 8.1. Exercise 8.1. Exercise 8.1. Question number second. Let us solve the first one. What is the question? If a matrix has 4 elements, if a matrix has 4 elements, what are the possible order it can have? What are the possible orders? What are the possible orders it can have? So since here 4 can be, we can write 4 like this way also. 4 into 1. We can write 2 into 2. And we can write here 1 is to 4 also. Okay. It means a matrix having 4 element can be arranged like this way. Let how a matrix, the given matrix, the required matrix will be of order 4 by 1. It may be of order 2 by 2, and it may be of order 1 by 4. Okay. Let, for example, I am giving here, if A, B, C and D are 4 elements. Let this is the element of this type of matrix. Then how we can arrange? The first arrangement of this type, 4 row, first column, 4 row and 1 column. So here one row, second row, third row, and here fourth row. And how many column only? 1. It is 4 by 1. And here A, B, C, D. This is the square matrix of order 2 by 2. And here A, B, C, D. Like this. We can arrange. If we have 4 elements A, B, C, D, then the possible orders will be 4 by 1, 2 by 2 and 1 by 4. No need to write this much. Your answer will be only 4 by 1, 2 by 2 and 1 by 4. Let us see what is the answer given. Exercise 8.1. Second, first. Okay, correct. 1 by 4, 4 by 1, like this way. Here question number second also you can solve. Now one question number 3. Question number 3. Question number third. Let us solve the first. Here given, construct our 2 by 2 matrix. We have to construct 2 by 2 matrix. Which element Aij are given by Aij are given like this. 2I minus 0. Okay. We just want to find a matrix of order 2 by 2. Let the matrix is A. A 2 by 2 matrix can be written like this way. First row, first column, first row, second column, second row, first column, and here second row, second column. Like this way, we can write. A matrix of order 2 by 2 can be written like this way: A11, A12, A21, and A22. Now, according to this formula, we have to write. Then, what is A11? A11 means, what is the formula? 2I means 2 into 1. I for this minus J. J for this 1. Here 1. It will be 1. 2 1 2 minus 1 will be means 1. Again A12. Then 2 into 1 minus 2. 2 minus 2 that is 0. Similarly, here A21, that is 2 into 2. The formula is coming from here. 2I. Here first one is I and the second one will be J. 2I means 2 into 2 and minus J means minus 1. 4 minus 1 will be 3. And A22 is what? 2 into 2 minus 2 means 2. Okay. Therefore, the required matrix A will be, we just put the value of A11, A12, A21 and A2. A11 is, that is 1. A12 is what? That is 0. A21 is what? 3. And A22 is what? 2. This is the required matrix according to the given condition of the question. Let us see, is it correct or not? So here 8.1, let us discuss. Here third one, 1, 0, 3 and 2. Like this way you can solve all the question of exercise 8.1. And in our next video we will discuss about the operations on matrices, that is related to addition of matrix, subtraction of matrix, multiplication of matrix by a number. Okay.